Mo special cars. Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of the Grand Bavaro Princess, a stunning, all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Get ready to be whisked away to a tropical paradise where the sand is white, the water is turquoise, and the good times never stop rolling. Let's start by talking about where you'll be resting your head after a day of sun, sand, and surf. The Grand Bavaro Princess offers a range of accommodations to suit every traveler's needs. For those looking to add a touch of luxury to their stay, the Platinum Rooms are where it's at. These swanky abodes are perfect for couples or small families who want to live it up in style. Picture yourself lounging in a spacious room, sipping on a cool drink from your minibar, and enjoying the view from your private balcony. Not too shabby, right? But wait, there's more. If you're traveling with a bigger crew, the Family Club Suites are calling your name. These bad boys are designed with families in mind, offering plenty of space to spread out and relax. We're talking about rooms that are a whopping 53 square meters. That's bigger than some apartments. These suites come with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-end resort, including air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that sunshine, and of course, that all-important minibar. Because let's face it, nothing says vacation like a cold drink at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the views. Depending on where your room is located, you might be treated to stunning ocean vistas, lush garden scenes, or sparkling pool views. It's like Mother Nature's own screensaver right outside your window. And for those of you who like to travel in style, the hotel's ecological setting adds a unique touch to your stay. You might even spot some local wildlife from your balcony. Just don't try to take any iguanas home as souvenirs, okay? Alright, food lovers, this next part is for you. The Grand Bavaro Princess is a culinary playground with not one, not two, but 10 themed restaurants to choose from. That's right, 10. It's like a global food tour without ever leaving the resort. Feeling like pasta? Head to the Italian joint. Craving sushi? The Japanese restaurant has got you covered. Mexican, Oriental, Caribbean, Mediterranean, you name it, they've got it. It's like the United Nations of food, but with better cocktails. Speaking of cocktails, let's not forget about the bars. The resort boasts 4 watering holes, including a sports bar for all you game day enthusiasts. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity tropical concoction by the pool or a sophisticated nightcap, the bartenders here have got your back. Just remember, it's all-inclusive, so pace yourself. Nobody wants to spend their vacation nursing a hangover. Am I right? Now, for those of you who like to dress up for dinner, and those who prefer to keep it casual, it's worth noting that some of the restaurants might have a dress code. So maybe pack that one nice outfit just in case. And if you're a planner, you'll be happy to know that some restaurants take reservations. It's like getting a fast pass for your taste buds. But the culinary adventures don't stop there. The resort also hosts themed nights and special culinary events. It's like dinner and a show, but you're in the Caribbean and everything tastes better. Trust me, your Instagram feed is going to be the envy of all your friends back home. Now let's dive into the good stuff, literally. The Grand Bavaro Princess boasts not one, but 2 spacious outdoor pools. These aren't your average backyard pools, folks. We're talking about massive, crystal-clear oases where you can float your cares away. But here's where it gets really exciting. The resort has its very own water theme park. That's right, a water park, complete with slides and a kids' pool area featuring a pirate ship. It's like having your own private water wonderland. Just try not to cannonball into the fancy cocktail bar, okay? But let's not forget about the beach. After all, we're in Punta Cana, home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The Grand Bavaro Princess is blessed with a stretch of pristine white sand that'll make your toes tingle with excitement. The turquoise waters are so clear, you might think you've stumbled into a giant natural swimming pool. And the best part? The hotel provides luxury loungers and waiter service right on the beach. That's right, you can sip on piña coladas without ever leaving your sunspot. It's like having your own personal cabana boy, but with better cocktail-making skills. For the water sports enthusiasts, the resort offers activities like snorkeling and diving. So whether you want to explore the underwater world or just float on the surface like a happy little starfish, there's something for everyone. Just remember to reapply that sunscreen. Nobody wants to go home looking like a lobster, no matter how delicious they are in the resort's seafood restaurant. Now let's talk about keeping active, because we all know vacations are about balance, right? The Grand Bavaro Princess has got you covered with a fully equipped fitness center. Whether you're a gym rat or just trying to work off last night's dessert buffet, you'll find all the standard equipment you need to keep those muscles moving. But let's be real, who wants to spend their vacation on a treadmill when you could be running on the beach? For those who prefer their exercise with a side of zen, the resort offers classes like yoga, Zumba, and Pilates. It's the perfect way to stretch out those muscles after a long day of, well, lounging by the pool. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you might even be able to snag a personal training session. Just don't be surprised if your trainer looks more like a beach volleyball player than your average gym instructor. But let's face it, we're on vacation, and sometimes the only exercise we want is lifting a cocktail to our lips. That's where the spa comes in. The Grand Bavaro Princess boasts a full-service spa that's ready to pamper you into oblivion. We're talking massages that'll turn you into human putty, saunas that'll make you sweat out all your worries, and relaxation areas where you can pretend you're a celebrity hiding from the paparazzi. The spa offers a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and soul. Whether you're in the mood for a deep tissue massage to work out those knots from your plane ride, or a facial that'll make you look 10 years younger, results may vary, especially after a week of all-inclusive cocktails. The spa has got you covered. And the best part? You can book your treatments right at the spa reception. It's like making a reservation for Cloud 9. Now, let's talk about the little ones. Because let's face it, a happy kid means a happy parent, and the Grand Bavaro Princess knows this all too well. The resort features a modern children's recreation area that's basically kid heaven. We're talking games, activities, and enough entertainment to make you wonder if you can pass for a 12-year-old and join in the fun. The Kids Club is staffed by professionals who are experts at keeping the young ones entertained. They organize activities throughout the day, from arts and crafts for the little Picassos to sports for the future Olympians. And remember that water park we mentioned earlier? Yeah, that's going to be a big hit with the kiddos. Just be prepared for the inevitable "can we go on the slides one more time" plea every 5 minutes. For the teens who are too cool for the Kids Club but not quite ready for adult activities, the resort offers plenty of options. There's the beach for impromptu volleyball games, the pools for showing off those newly learned diving skills, and plenty of space for them to hang out with new friends while still being within eyesight of watchful parents. And let's not forget about the family-friendly entertainment. The resort hosts live shows and themed nights that are suitable for all ages. It's like dinner theater, but with better weather and no need for a babysitter. Just don't be surprised if your kids suddenly develop a passion for limbo dancing or coconut bowling. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.